How to view saved posts on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to view saved posts on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and then click and then just click save it. And as you see here, you can view saved posts and you can create new collection. Just select the collection name and then select privacy, and now just click create. And that's how to view your saved posts on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.